Hello, today we will guide you through how to check Gmail account creation date. If you want to find out when your Gmail account was originally created, you can do it by accessing your Google account data. This process takes place through Gmail, your Google account settings, and then Google Takeout, where you can download a copy of your information and look for the account creation details. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you are on the main inbox screen, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile account icon. This opens the account menu connected to your Google profile. From that menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to your main Google account settings page, where you can review and control different types of account information. Next, click on Data and Privacy. This section contains settings related to your personal information, activity history, and data tools. After opening it, scroll down until you find the area labeled Download Your Data. This option is part of Google's export tools and lets you request a downloadable archive of your account information. Click on Download Your Data. You'll be taken to Google Takeout. On this page, scroll down and follow the prompts until the download is prepared. Depending on your settings and the amount of data in your account, this may take a little time. Just continue through the export steps as shown on screen until the file is available to download. Once the data has been downloaded, open the exported files and look for the JSON file. In some instructions, this may be referred to as a JSON file, but the correct file type is JSON. This file contains structured account information that can help you identify when the Gmail account was created. Inside the downloaded data, click on Your Account, Your Data. This is the section where the relevant account details are stored. From there, review the information in the JSON file to locate the creation date for the account. As a quick tip, if you have trouble opening a JSON file, you can usually view it with a basic text editor on your computer. It may look technical at first, but the information is often clearly labeled. Also, because the download can include personal account data, make sure you keep the file private and store it securely. That's the full process for checking your Gmail account creation date by using your Google account data export.